Corning reported strong second quarter results and raised its outlook for full-year sales to $11.3 billion, up from earlier guidance of $11 billion. Core sales were $2.8 billion, up 9% year over year. Net income was $359 million, and EPS was 38 cents. Our second quarter results set the foundation for a stronger than expected 2018. Each of our businesses met or exceeded expectations for the second quarter, with full-year sales now forecasted to be up 10% to $11.3 billion, and margin expansion in the second half of 2018. Optical Communications, Specialty Materials, Environmental Technologies, and Life Sciences segments are all expected to continue to grow, and the pricing environment in Display Technologies is the best in more than a decade. Several of our largest capacity expansion projects has exited the startup phase, and production and efficiency rates are climbing. We expect a step change in sales and profitability in the third quarter, and we plan to build on that going forward. Progress on our strategy and capital allocation framework remains excellent. With a phase of intense investments now yielding results, we are well positioned for long-term secular growth. We returned $829 million to shareholders in the second quarter of 2018 for a total of $10.8 billion since the framework's introduction. Now let's review highlights from our progress on our market access platforms. In Optical Communications, strong market demand and the continuing success of our co-innovation model have resulted in faster than expected progress towards our goal of $5 billion in annual sales by 2020, with continued growth thereafter. We reached a major milestone in June when we completed the acquisition of 3M's Communication Markets Division. In mobile consumer electronics, we launched Corning Gorilla Glass 6, our most durable cover glass to date, alongside innovations for emerging device categories. Overall, we expect sales in Specialty Materials to grow in 2018 as more devices adopt Gorilla Glass 6 and our other innovations. Turning to automotive, Corning reached a significant production milestone of 1 million gasoline particulate filters as we lead the market in the next wave of emission controls. In Gorilla Glass for Auto, the pull from more than 20 leading OEMs is increasing, and customer commitments now support the creation of a dedicated finishing capacity. We announced an investment in Hefei to deploy the required capabilities and capacity. In Life Sciences vessels, we announced a new high-volume manufacturing facility to produce Corning Valor Glass, a remarkable new pharmaceutical packaging solution. And we continue to believe Valor Glass can power Corning's growth for a decade or longer. In display, we remain the global leader. We're seeing strong TV retail demand growth. We're also seeing the most favorable pricing environment for LCD glass in more than a decade. We expect to reach the important milestone of annual price declines improving to a mid-single-digit percentage in the third quarter, and for the improvement trend to continue into 2019. So we continue to make excellent progress across all of our market access platforms. We are investing to capture opportunities and are well positioned to deliver another strong year of sales and earnings growth. Ultimately, we remain on track to fully achieve our strategy and capital allocation framework goals.